Kailash Chandra, passage number 5. Start at the present moment, it is clear that not only have we in India no national independence, but we are hedged in and obstructed by numerous restrictions, limitations, safeguard and reservations which block the path to planning and progress. Full stop. Our oblique plan national development must, therefore, be draw up for a free and independent India. Full stop. Paragraph. Thanks to the sacrifices made by millions of countrymen and countrywomen under the leadership of the father of the nation, we have today secured complete sovereign political independence at a time when the nations of the world were engaged in the bitterest struggle, using all the weapons of destruction. Full stop. If, therefore, we have secured political independence during the period of a quarter of a century. Full stop. It should not be difficult, especially when we are today masters in our own country to oblige secure a socialist pattern of society, as has already been indicated. Full stop. But it requires the assistance, the propaganda, the active oblique work of all those who are interested in this. Full stop. I am sure so long as my honorable friends, the minister, oblique deputy Prime Minister and the other minister who have represent the Commerce and Industry Ministry can give us an assurance that the capitalist pattern would be avoided, some of us who believe in a percent socialist democracy give an oblique undertaking that certainly totally trained police will not be introduced in this country, because we have believed all along oblique during the fight that we have given the British government, when we secured political independence, that we shall try to maintain oblique democracy unduly, and a socialist democracy. That. Full stop. I am absolutely certain in that in this country of ours, liberty of oblique thought, liberty of speech, and liberty of action will be granted to every citizen, to express his views in the manner be pleases. Full stop. I therefore assure my honorable friend, that so long as we do not, in the grab of a socialist pattern, support a capitalist system, India will stand 100%, for a socialist democracy. Full stop. Paragraph. Now, luckily for oblique us, the fundamental rights of the Constitution have declared that a citizen would be assured of many of social amenities which will give reasonable comfort from the WOMB to the grave. Full stop. But we mere enunciation, as I have said, many oblique times will not satisfy the common man, comma, unless the saying input into effect, full stop. I am absolutely certain, comma, therefore, comma, that so long as there is a determination on the part of our countrymen, we will be in a position to secure a socialist pattern of society, full stop. It is not even possible to draw up a plan on any other basis, full stop.